Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal is a popular fast food choice, but if you're watching your calorie intake, you may be wondering how many calories are in a Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some low-calorie Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal recipes that you can enjoy without feeling guilty. How many calories in a Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal? A Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal contains around 1140 calories, including the sandwich, fries, and a drink. This is a high-calorie meal that can easily exceed your daily calorie intake. However, there are ways to enjoy this meal without compromising your health. How to enjoy Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal without guilt. Here are some tips to enjoy Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal without feeling guilty. Share your meal. Share your meal with a friend to split the calories. Choose a smaller portion. Opt for a smaller portion or customize your order to fit your calorie needs. Avoid high-calorie sides. Choose a side salad or steamed vegetables instead of fries. Low-calorie Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich meal recipes to try at home. Recipe 1. Baked spicy chicken sandwich. Recipe 2. Spicy chicken salad. Recipe 3. Spicy chicken wrap. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.